Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video. Realme continues launching new smartphones. This is the Realme 8 5G. Should you buy this? Should you not buy this? Before that, let's talk about the Narzo 30 Pro, which I enjoyed using. Even the Realme 8 was very good. Narzo 30A, the budget-oriented phone, which was very good once again. Realme 8 Pro, which was Realme 7 Pro Max essentially. But I was not like against the Realme 8 Pro completely. It was decent device at best. But Realme 8 5G comes out and I'm like, what is Realme thinking? I am not really sure about that. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Who should buy this device? Even before unboxing, I mean, the device is already unboxed and all. But even before talking about this device, I'll tell you, if you are looking for a 5G phone and you cannot wait for a month for other Qualcomm or MediaTek to launch new 5G SoCs, then go for this phone if 5G is your priority. If 5G is not your priority, like 5G should be your only priority when it comes to buying a smartphone. Not great camera, not great charging solution, not great battery life and all that stuff. 5G should be only your priority. Then Realme 8 5G seems like a great deal in my opinion. Because let's talk about the device itself. First of all, let's open it up, and the device may start from 15,000 rupees. I'm not 100% sure about the pricing because obviously I do not know it. Inside the box, you will get a case and a SIM ejector tool and all the regular stuff that you get. Then we have the smartphone itself here, which I have already unboxed. The smartphone does look really good. This is the blue color variant that I have. It will attract fingerprints and it does not feel very premium because it's completely made out of plastic. The sides on this device are made out of plastic, similar to other Realme series of devices or Narzo series of devices. But it's just that Redmi Note 10 Pro and the 10 Pro Max have managed to get the sides of the device so good that they feel or look as if they are made out of metal, but they are not really metal. They are also plastic. Once again, the device does look good, has good cameras setup, no, not setup, sorry, good camera looks, had side mounted fingerprint sensor and all that stuff. Next up, we are going to go further inside the box because that's really important this time. Usually I'm like, yeah, you get this charger, that charger. Narzo 30 Pro, 30 watt fast charging, dart charging, this charging, that charging, 5 volt 4 ampere, 5 volt 6 ampere charging, which is very fast. Like usually that's what you get, 5 volts and 6 amperes. With this device, you are going to get 9 volts and 2 amperes, just 18 watt fast charging out of the box. And this is a 5G phone. I'm okay, but at the price tag of 15,000 rupees, Realme giving a 18 watt fast charger, because even the Redmi Note 10, which costs much less, comes with 33 watt fast charger inside the box itself. So 18 watt fast charger is provided inside the box, which was very surprising. And this made me realize, oh my god, Realme has gone to the next level when it comes to price cutting to get this device, this 5G phone, to the budget that they wanted it to be at possible. So charging solution is definitely not something that I am a huge fan of on the Realme 8 5G. The device comes with side mounted fingerprint sensor. If I just touch it, it unlocks instantly. It's very quick, and the fingerprint sensor obviously works great, and it unlocks to the display. This is an LCD panel, no AMOLED panel present over here, and it is high refresh rate, not 120 but 90 Hz refresh rate. No complaints about 90 Hz refresh rate being there as such, because I'm okay with 90 Hz LCD panel at this particular price point. Even though Redmi, I know, is offering AMOLED screen and all that stuff, I still feel like display part on this device is good viewing angles, good brightness and all that stuff. The device also comes with 5000 mAh battery. Ideally, it should be able to get you through one single day. Now you are off to clicking cameras, off to clicking photos, because you like camera as such, and you bought a 5G phone, but you decided that, okay, wait, let me click a 1x photo. Okay, wait, I'll click of this. This is the 1x photo. This is 2x photo. This is 5x photo. By the way, the device does not have a telephoto lens, and it also does not come with any ultra wide angle lens. What? I was so shocked and surprised while kya bolu abhi? At the price tag of 15,000 rupees, or even if the device launches at, let's say, 14,000 rupees, not giving ultra wide angle lens in a device doesn't feel good to me. And without an ultra wide angle lens, even if you're not a camera enthusiast, or even if you rarely click pictures, having ultra wide angle lens is must in my opinion in 2021. I am not really sure how or why Realme thought that removing ultra wide angle lens was a very good idea. because that's not there on this particular device. And the device does have a selfie camera though, which I am glad about, but the selfie camera is huge. If I compare it against the Redmi Note 10 Pro, you can immediately notice the difference, and it's not like Redmi Note 10 Pro is 5,000-6,000 rupees expensive than the Realme 8 5G. And talking about the primary sensor, this is Samsung's GN1 sensor. It's not even GN2, or it's not even one of the latest 48 megapixel camera sensors. It's the older one. 64 megapixel not being there is something I'm totally okay with. But once again, I was not really happy with the camera setup on this device, because of which it's not easy to recommend or even say that this is a decent product and you can buy it if there are so many ifs in this device that it's difficult. Device also comes with Android 11 out of the box and Realme UI 2.0, and Realme UI 2.0 is definitely better as compared to Realme UI 1.0, meaning it comes with good advantages that you have. So that software thing is a good part, but the device has big bezels on the top, on the bottom, on the sides. Once again, the device is thin. Now let's come to the processor part of it, because of which the device becomes a 5G enabled phone. That's the Dimensity 700 processor. Obviously it is 5G enabled. When it comes to day-to-day life usage, in my initial impressions, the device does perform good. I will be doing a dedicated gaming test on this device, so subscribe to the gaming channel, that's Dhananjay Gaming. The video will be linked in the description box below whenever I make it. But overall, at the price tag of 15,000 rupees, let's say, I feel like considering Moto G40 Fusion was launched with Snapdragon 732G processor, Redmi Note 10 Pro, by paying a couple of thousand rupees extra, you can get 732G processor plus AMOLED screen and all other stuff. Feels like a better deal. I mean, it is obviously a better deal. Not just that, even the Realme 8 is a better deal in my opinion. It's just that Realme 8 does not come with 5G, whereas this one comes with 5G. So when it comes to pros of the device, the major pro is going to be that the device has 5G. It comes with triple SIM card slot. The device is thin. When it comes to cons, disappointing camera setup. Not having ultra wide angle lens is something which I still can't wrap my head around it. And overall, the device is just for 5G people. 5G people as in people who want to buy a device which has 5G. I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.